Hello. My name is Lily. I am 7 years old. I live with my family. My family is very important to me. I love my family very much. I have a mom and a dad. My mom's name is Sarah. She has long brown hair. She is very kind. She likes to cook. She makes delicious food. My dad's name is Tom. He is tall. He has short black hair. He likes to read books. He reads me stories at night. I have a brother. His name is Ben. He is 5 years old. He likes to play. He plays with his cars. He plays with his blocks. Sometimes, he plays with me. We have lots of fun together. He can be a little noisy, but I still love him. We have a pet. It is a cat. The cat's name is Whiskers. Whiskers is grey and white. He likes to sleep. He sleeps on my bed. He likes to eat fish. He purrs when I pet him. He is very soft. I like to cuddle Whiskers. My grandparents live near us. My grandma's name is Rose. She has white hair. She likes to garden. She grows beautiful flowers. My grandpa's name is George. He has glasses. He likes to tell stories. His stories are very funny. I visit my grandparents every week. We drink tea together. We eat cookies. I love to hear their stories. We do many things together as a family. We eat dinner together every night. We talk about our day. We laugh a lot. On Saturdays, we go to the park. We play on the swings. We go down the slide. Ben likes to climb on the jungle gym. I like to run around. Dad throws a frisbee. Mom watches us. Whiskers sometimes comes with us in his special cat carrier. He watches the birds. Sometimes, we go to the beach. We build sandcastles. We swim in the ocean. Dad teaches me how to surf. Mom collects seashells. Ben plays in the shallow water. We eat ice cream. The beach is my favorite place. We also like to watch movies together. We make popcorn. We sit on the sofa. We laugh at the funny parts. We get scared of the scary parts. After the movie, Dad tucks me into bed. He reads me a story. Mom kisses me goodnight. I feel very safe and happy. My family is special. We help each other. We love each other. We have fun together. I am very lucky to have such a wonderful family. I love my mom, my dad, my brother, my grandparents, and even Whiskers. They are my best friends. I am happy when I am with them. My family is the most important thing in the world to me. I love them more than anything. I am so grateful for my family. They make me smile. They make me laugh. They make me feel loved. I love my family very, very much. And I know they love me too. This is my wonderful family.